Number 33. And my teammates are Hemant Danana and Sirisha. And I'm so excited to present my project, and that was Patient Guard AI. It was an advanced privacy aware patient monitoring system designed to enhance safety and support healthcare staff in real time. And in present generation, many people faces some issues in hospitals, like in hospitals or care centers and rehabilitation facilities. Patient safety is one of the biggest challenges, right? Like patients often try to get off the bed without assistance, wander or perform risky behaviors, or patient fall unexpectedly. And some patients feel experience pain, anxiety, or emotional distress that goes unnoticed. Actually, nurses will work incredibly hard, right? But it's impossible to watch every patient 24 by 7. And traditional CCTV solutions are not at small, and they also create privacy concerns. This leads to delayed responses, preventable injuries, and pressure on medical staff. For this problem, we have created one solution. That solution was Patient Guard AI. What our project will do. The Patient Guard AI is an intelligent real-time monitoring system powered by computer vision and machine learning. It can detect fall instantly and recognize risky behaviors such as bed exit attempts, and it identify emotional distress like pain or anxiety, and it send real-time alerts to nurses or caregivers. And one of the best part of my project is it all processing is done on device, and we never store or expose raw video. This keeps patient dignity and privacy fully protected. How my project will work. See, I have given two features. One is bed sensor and one is camera. In bed sensor, I have given two sensors, right? One is under the bed and one is from the room. Under bed, if the patient will fall to the, it will give some emergency sound. So sudden pressure changes, patient may have fallen. And here I have given two features: acknowledge and call staff. We will click the call staff. The staff will go to the patient and consult. It will clear. The acknowledgement will be clear, and risky moment and the sound. I have given different sounds to different moments, and patient distress. Everything will be here acknowledged. And here the bed overview. All the rooms, I have taken some rooms overview like room number 101 or bed number 101, 102, 103, etc. And another feature is camera. I have taken media pipe as like a person. Like that, when we click the trigger for the patient will fell down. Patient fell detected from the bed sensor. Here also same, and risky moment and patient distress and emotional. It will all acknowledge here. Okay, and this whole history will be saved here. Here also same overview. And this AI works. We use lightweight, efficient AI models that run on normal laptops or edge devices. Pose estimation to detect falls and posture changes, and behavior recognition to identify unsafe movements, and emotion detects using anonymized facial key points. And we have used privacy layer for that face blur and plus and no video storage, and alert engines with confidence thresholds and cooldowns to avoid false alarms. Whenever an incident is detected, the system instantly triggers like a visual alert or a sound alarm. A real-time update on the dashboard. Only safe metadata such as event type, time, room, and confidence will be shared here. And this is the code of my project. I have used React for frontend, and for frontend TypeScript and Tailwind CSS also I have used, and for backend I have used Fast API, and we have used computer vision and machine learning, the Tailwind CSS and everything. These are the types monitoring TS. In component JS also I have used some Tailwind CSS. I will run my project. Run there. A local host link. When we click this link, it redirected to my project. Okay. And why this project? The patient guard AI acts as a 24 by 7 safety, and it is a strong support tool for nurses. And some advantages of my project is it reduces staff workload, and it improves emergency response time, and it prevents accidents before they become serious. It ensures continuous monitoring without invading privacy. This system helps hospitals deliver safer, more responsive, and more human centered care. These are some advantages of my project. And my future enhancements for my project is I will improve open camera and multimodal monitoring like video plus sensors. It integrate additional sensors like wearable accelerometers, pressure sensors on beds, and I want to improve advanced behavior understanding with deep learning like aggression, self-harm attempts, and wandering patterns. And another idea is to improve in future is real-time smart dashboard with predictive analysis, like build a full hospital dashboard that shows all patients alert in real-time, track risk levels over time. This is my overview of my project. Thank you.